Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi-ke uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke nje engizocela kuwe-ke lana-ke ukuthi uma uthi-ke usamusha kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke, noma-ke kuwukuthi-ke uyaqala ungena kulona-ke wenze nje okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase, ungaphumi uncindezelanga-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza wazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeka uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha. Eish isabhenselo ngiza nazo ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli kusukela-ke manje-ke. Sengenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungakucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje. Udaba ngilethele lona-ke namhlanje lapha lithi-ke ayikapheli-ke eka-General Mkhwanazi. Ukhumbula ukuthi-ke wabiza imida wakhipha-ke iy'mfihlo-ke ezijule kabi-ke laphana-ke umongameli wezwe-ke laphana ku-President Cyril Ramaphosa-ke ube-ke esethatha-ke isinqumo-ke la kuzoba khona i-judgmental kukhulunywa ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu nazo iy'nsolo zikaMkhwanazi. Mkhwanazi-ke uzonikwa-ke ithuba-ke lapho ukuthi-ke azikhulumele yena-ke konke-ke akuphethe-ke akubeke obala-ke laphana-ke, kodwa ngifuna ukuthi okuningi uzwe ngami. Mntasa nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzwele wena-ke lokhu-ke engilethele kona la. Basicela masizulele ividiyo nama-comment section futhi uvulo lakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngaloku daba-ke lolu bese wenza okulungile nje ungixhase, ungaphumi ungacindezelanga-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke kwenza wazi ukuthi uqhubeka uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha engizolungisa nazo ngikufana zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli kusukela-ke manje.
So the ad hoc committee eParliament ephenya ama-allegations kaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ithi the first person to give a testimony, it has to be ubaba uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Prepare your popcorns, guys. Judiciary Commission of Inquiry, they also released a statement ukuthi the first hearing will commence on the 1st of September 2025. I guess they were still sorting out indaba yama logistics in terms of venue. So the venue that was chosen is that venue in Pretoria. So guys, what are you looking forward to this Commission of Inquiry and as well as first hearing yakababa uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ku ad hoc committee? Mina I just see fireworks.